Life is full of challenges, and every year brings new trials that test our strength. But this is the time to focus on the present, to take control and rise above. Don't let the darkness or failures define you. You are stronger than your struggles. Decide today to stand tall, find your purpose, and move forward with determination. This is your story, make it count.
Don't give up. Hold on. Don't tell yourself you don't have what it takes. If that job isn't working out, keep pushing forward. If someone you trusted lets you down, trust in yourself. If your heart is broken, remember, a broken heart can heal. Stop putting all your faith in others and start realizing your own worth. There's a reason for your life, live it fully. Don't give up on the life you've been given. Understand that challenges are necessary for growth. You have a purpose that goes beyond what others may ever comprehend. It doesn't matter if others understand you, the real question is, do you understand yourself? Do you believe in yourself? You are the author of your story. Write it with intention. Sign your name to it with pride, saying, "This is my life, and I will live it to the fullest." Not just this year, not just next year, but for as long as you have breath. Stay focused, stay determined, and push forward with every ounce of strength and purpose you possess. And the will and love that I have, no one can take that away from me. That is the mindset you should have too. Let others think what they want. Let them feel what they feel. But don't you ever dare say you're nothing just because someone else thinks so. Look beyond their opinions. Embrace a new version of yourself, one that is not shaped by trying to be like someone else. Focus on who you are and what you truly represent, because you are stronger than you realize if you choose to believe it. You are greater than the things holding you down. Never give up. Find your reason, find the purpose within you, because you are alive for a reason, and your time is far from over. Don't waste it on things that don't matter. Keep moving forward. Every time you look around and see people giving up on life or hurting, remind yourself, everyone faces their own kind of hell, no matter how high they climb or how far they've come. You weren't put here to live without challenges. You weren't created to avoid struggles. This is your life, embrace it. This is why you need to get locked in. Locked in on strength. Locked in on faith. Locked in on your purpose. You make a difference. Stop repeating the same things every day, every month, every year, new me, new you. Every time you hear it, it sounds like a broken record stuck in a loop. Enough of that. Let's get real about living. Let's get real about life. Let's get real about accountability. It's time to stop talking and start doing what needs to be done, because if you don't put in the work, you're not going to get anything out of it, I promise you that. And if you're worried about failing, let me tell you something, you will fail. Failure is part of the process. You're going to get tired. You're going to feel weak. You may even want to give up. But none of that matters unless you give it power. Don't let it control you. Remember this, whatever hell you're enduring right now, it's just a season. Seasons change. A new one is coming, and when it does, you will embrace it. You will rise. You will get through it. Sometimes we find ourselves in a dark place where there seems to be no light. We feel as though something is holding us back, keeping us far away from our truth. And too often, we give that darkness more power than it deserves. But none of us are in a position to give up, not now, not ever. This is the time to dig a little deeper, to fight harder than you ever have before, because life is getting tougher. The challenges are real, and every day you wake up, they will test you. But remember, you are not in a position to quit. Not now, not while there's still strength within you to rise, to push forward, and to overcome. You can do this, if you believe in your ability to succeed. Every year brings change. Every year brings new challenges. And every year, you hear someone say, new me, new you. But when will you come to the conclusion that what truly matters is now? Now is the time to focus. Now is the time to put in the work. Now is when you decide who you are, with no turning back. You can't keep looking at the past. You can't waste energy worrying about things beyond your control. What you can do is make the decision, right here, right now, to take charge of your life and move forward. Where do you want to be in your life? How much time do you think you truly have in this world? Do you honestly believe life will go on forever? The truth is, time is limited, and some days will be tough. You'll have weary days when you're tired, angry, sad, or even miserable. But in those moments, you must become stronger. You have to endure. You must dig deep, find your strength, and rise above. Stand tall, fight for what matters, breathe deeply, live fully, and embrace your purpose. Be productive. Stay resilient. Stay locked in on your goals. And from the bottom of my heart, conduct your business with intention, focus, and determination.
Thank you for watching. Remember, your journey is yours to write, and every step you take matters. If this message inspired you, please like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Together, let's stay locked in on strength, purpose, and growth. See you in the next video.